Welcome to Play-thru Gamer! Today we're going to be playing Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. So, last Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom video, I think was was not a Christmas special. I don't know. My memory isn't that clear today. Yeah, I haven't been uploading Legend of Zelda videos in a while. That's sad, but let's get back to it. This is the game that started my series too. I haven't been doing it in a while, so my skills have sort of rusted. Okay, that's shield. Okay. Yeah, let's get it. Let's do it how I did it. Let's get let's take a horse. Let's take you. You wanted you loser, right? Why did I name it you loser anyways? I don't know. Must just been a joke. You loser. Thanks for waiting. She was like, nah, it's fine. This is. Thank you for using our spare. Okay. I have protection. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we have enough arrows. Oh my god, don't do that. You might like die. Okay, just keeping a steady pace. And if I drop my horse, then I'll do an apology video if I drop my horse. To all the horse lovers, I'll make an apology video if I drop my horse. Because this is a dangerous bridge. It's sort of old. My god. Oh my god. I remember, okay, in Breath of the Wild, there's a guardian that's here, but now that, guardians are gone, I can sort of take it easy. Oh, there's enemy base. What? Oh, okay, they came. Let's do our first combat. Okay, I just killed the base. Link the mass killer. I'm a little rusty at this. Okay, mass killer. Whoa! Did you see that cool, awesome trick jump? I'm gonna make Petco mad. Oh, I made Pet Life mad. I made the pet company mad. I sort of killed one of their Wait, am I going the wrong way? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. This is a long ride we're in for. Okay, while we're riding, I guess, let's just talk about some stuff. So, I have recently gotten a quest. So I think I'm expecting some, we should expect some like gorilla tag videos maybe to come out. Yeah, that's really all. Yeah. I'm excited for the, wait, no. I'm excited for some new Mario games to come out. Like Princess Peach Showtime, that's gonna be a fun one. But when I finish Super Mario Wonder, surprise, oh my god. I'm probably gonna be playing, when I finish the Super Mario Bros. Wonder, I'll probably, do... I'll probably do Super Mario RPG actually, because I have been waiting to play the game. Madison, you know what? I'm just gonna leave you. Okay, let's just not fall off this. Okay, yeah, slow and steady. I do not want to kill you. Well, up notch. Let's go. I do not want to kill this horse. I'll make an apology video if I do. If I kill this horse, or... Okay, if I kill the horse, or if I accidentally kill the horse, I will make a apology video. Yeah, I don't have time for them. Okay, there's a lot of enemies coming around here. Narrow turns when it comes to here. Getting a little colder. Ooh, I see a new place. Let's go now. Okay, I see a new place. It's uncharted territory. Uncharted land. Come on, let's do this, horsey. Okay, I just want to get on my horse, but you can interrupt me. I don't care. Let's skip this.
Witness the blood moon.
Yeah, so I sort of killed. I killed some people, but you know what? If they get up, you know, if they get back up again, I don't care. So yeah. Stay here, horse. I wish this place was still stable. Shh. Tracy, our editor, is here, getting ready for our Big Princess Zelda investigation. So basically, this bird is like telling us to shut up, and yeah. We'll do that though. Hey, quiet! Let's skip this. Doesn't notice Link. You look like left, lift, lacal. What do you mean by le? It could be lacal, link, sick. Okay, Link. Tell me everything. Okay. Let's get into this. Wait, I wonder if you can see this mouse. Here we go. I just put like this mouse on the screen, and I wonder if you can see the pointer. Okay, so we've got the froggy armor, head, chest, and legs. Okay. So this bird, I'm picking her nose. Wait, no. I guess I'm not really picking her nose. Okay, let's get into this. Potential princess sightings. The bridge is busted. You know what? I can actually not help with that. I'm just gonna drop this here because I know how to do this. Only pro MLG gamers know how to do that. Oh, is there like, isn't there supposed to be like a bass? That break, yeah, break. Just let's get through this bridge. Wait. Chest. It's a chest of glory. Oh, okay. It's a chest of arrows. Let's equip the shield, just, you know. This is pretty fragile glass. I'm sorry, not glass. Ice, yes, ice. Okay, so we just made it to Rito Village. And yeah. Rita Village. Sigh. Okay, you know what? If you're sighing, you should, if you're sighing, you know what? I won't turn you into chicken. I won't turn you into my Thanksgiving meal if you're sighing. I'll be fine. That's fine. Okay, don't go in it. Okay, so we just got here. Beep, bop, beep, boop. And yeah. Get in, get out, get this shrine stuff, and yeah. Yeah. Oh, I have 4 shrine blessings. I should probably give myself stamina. Ride the wind. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. There's lace. Ah! Bro, not cool, man. Bro, not cool. Okay, I did not realize. I do not remember this shrine. Let's heal, actually. I'm getting some way close to dying. I know you can't eat those. What can I eat? That. Okay, so this is what to do. So. Okay, did not get hurt. Oh. Ouchie. No, I died. I wasn't safe with my energy. Okay. You can clearly see that I'm not very skilled at this game anymore. You can clearly see I'm not as skilled as I was. Bye. Girl. Okay, beat those dudes up. Where do I go now? Oh, there's a chest here. Arrows. Oh, strong country. Let's just drop this. Why not? No, I need the... I sort of forgot about this game for like some time, not like all the time, because then, you know. Oh yeah. This is basically gliding. Okay, done with that shrine. Shrine number 1 for today, done. Skip. Okay. MLG, MLG, MLG. So this is us, and this is the uncharted world. Except for this. This is charted. Ooh. First Korok. Took way too long. Half of his body's covered in snow. That's disturbing. Like, bro, are you okay? Okay, so for this part of the game, we're gonna need as much stamina as we can get. Because in Rito, air is everything. So I need to get stamina. We don't. Oh man, I almost got heart containers. Thank you. I almost got heart containers. Okay. Yay! I feel less maliced. Okay. So we got a new stamina bar, which is absoluto nice. No, I do not have any more blessings unless if you'll give both of them to me for free, which you probably should. But if you don't, then I'll bomb your place. Yeah, no. Let's find some clothes. Ooh, supplies. I only have one. That's slightly, that's not the best side to see in life when you only have one of it. Ooh, arrow. Oh no, that's a soup bottle. Okay, let's do some cooking. Okay. I don't have anything I can really cook. I guess I could just make something. What if I just cook that? Oh, okay. It's not that bad. Please make me an elixir. Hasty elixir. Just in case if I need to go fast. Okay, up we go. Up we go. No, let's run faster. Up we go again. Up we go. Some more. Wait. I'm sorry, I just need to. Okay, so they're in a cutscene. They're fighting. Bye-bye. I just exploded them. I'm sorry, I just exploded them though. Wow, they're not damaged at all when I exploded it. That's not fair at all. I know, you know I can handle it. Checking even I can even do it alone. I'm voicing him. I'm voicing Tulin. If we don't do anything, the village. Okay, just don't say anything. Never mind, you can do that. I don't care. Huh? Is that you? I'm voicing Tulin.
It is you!
It is you!
Link!
Link! I could be the new voice actor for Tulin. Okay, I found Tulin. Link, they told me you were missing. It's good to see you doing well. Yeah, I'm doing well. Voice reveal at 10,000. It's very nice to see you again. Okay, I just skip this. Okay, bro just left his dad. Okay, he just left his dad. Skip this, skip this, skip this. Skip this, skip this. So you know Metroid, right? Like Metroid Prime, Metroid Dread. I feel like if PS5 bought Metroid, they would turn it into like an R-rated game. Metroid Overload, R. Like I feel like they would just do that with all the games that if PS or Xbox bought Metroid. Or maybe I feel like they would turn Legend of Zelda into a teen, and then Metroid into a mature game. Sounds accurate. Do you think I can glide to that? Does anybody think I can glide to that? You know, let's get to there. Dead. MLG! Did you see that one shot? Ah, bam, bang, bang. Okay. Okay. Let's get up here. Let's take all their supplies, make them starve, take all their wood, and yeah. I'll take their flint too. So thanks for watching. We did some big progress. I think big. I'm not sure big. I don't think. So, and yeah, we made it to Toolin, which I voiced. I'm such a voicer. And yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe and like if you liked this video.